Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and well, it's the weekend, so not really a point in looking at this. I did become a little bit more bearish on gold, and I read some funny stories today about the scarcity of gold. People were already for years and years predicting the world would run out of oil. And yeah, well, we are not having any oil shortages, and it doesn't seem to be. We will have we will have that soon. So will that be the case with gold as well? So here's one of the charts I posted on the 8th of October, and it's going perfectly according to plan. Well, let's take a look at the dollar. The dollar closed to weekly, quite bad. Something we like to see a lot, of course, because over here we had the last real crypto bull market, exactly over here. So we like this a lot. We love this. Taking a look at the S&P 500. I'm always taking a short little look at it. It's looking really good. We see a breakout over here. It's really short time frame, and we see support over here, which is in my opinion retested, a bullish retest, and that means we set a higher low compared to this one over here. So S&P looks very good. Bitcoin, I always look at the funding, as you guys know. It is about to switch a bit more positive, so we need to be a little bit more cautious at the moment. This is the Bitmex funding and premium index. And yeah, I love looking at it. We need to be a little bit more careful at this moment. Always look at the 4 hour, because like most fundings are every 8 hours. So they change, Bitmex and Bybit. But every 4 hours you get one funding at least. So all the 4 hours have funding in it. So that's a really important time frame for me. On the hourly, I'm looking at this pattern for Bitcoin at the moment. We have some fake outs in it. Let's see, is it in the 4 hour also? Yeah, in the 4 hour you can see it's a real fake out. So yeah, I'm looking at this pattern. It is a little bit for me about the funding and discounts. I'm looking at that, looking at where the fuel is. And yeah, over here there should be a lot of fuel, of course, a lot of shorts, but we want those shorts to stop them out. And right now we are closer to that. Over here are a lot of stops as well. We still have some CME gaps, of course. I don't think we will break down yet. If we are gonna go bearish, I expect a little wick to the upside, like we had over here, for example. Over here as well, we see that very often. You want a little fake out to make sure nobody actually can trade it. If somebody wants to short it, stop them out first or liquidate them and then go down. So yeah, that is kind of what I expect to happen. Like I said, I am very long from 10,500, and yeah, you wouldn't believe it, but I'm 45 times x'd my account. Yeah, it is. I've never done something like that before, but I'm constantly improving. Sometimes I mess up. So yeah, we broke this one, of course. People are also seeing this one. And yeah, I can see that one as well, of course. Also, this was the top of this candle. So maybe the 13.8, as I predicted, will get front run and stop over here. Very possible. People are getting a lot very bullish over here while we are consolidating. I'm not sure if that is a really smart thing to do. Draw it over here as well. Taking a look at Ethereum USD, at resistance right now. Same kind of pattern on a smaller time frame here. I don't know. I'm not that much of a... I'm basically only looking of trading Bitcoin at the moment. So this is what I would see on Ethereum. We can look at a smaller time frame, 15 minutes maybe. Of course, they are correlating very strongly with each other, but Ethereum does look a little bit less over here in my opinion, something like this. And how do we gonna... Was that a fake out, yes or no? This one. I mean, Ethereum doesn't look that good in my opinion. Of course, 400 is a really good support for Ethereum, but on a smaller time frame like over here, I don't really like it. So Ethereum BTC seems kind of weak as well, making lower lows. And they tested this trend line where they had a few taps in it over here. They tested it again. It's really time for Ethereum BTC to make new highs again. If we zoom out, we do see, of course, it has broken out significantly already this year. It is really chat stuff to call it like that. Doing amazing. Retest of this one is possible. Hope you're not in a too bit of a overexposed long. Sorry. And yeah, taking a look at the futures, people are getting quite bullish over here. We see the annualized percentage premium to call it like that, and it is quite high. Fundings are kind of flat. Let's refresh it to make sure. Yeah, they are kind of flat, making me think we do have a real possibility of seeing some upside. I'm really looking at like where the liquidity is. Where can we stop people out? Where can we shake them out? Where can we hit their stops? Over here we do see a little premium on Bitmex. It's not significantly, but luckily we don't see any premium, so that's good. So yeah, I am still bullish for Bitcoin. Like I said, on a lower time frame, I'm looking at something like this. Something like this. On the 4 hour, it was a better one, but something like this. This is what I'm looking at, and I would be taking profit at 13,500 or something, or assess the situation again, because taking profit at 13.8 is too obvious for me, so I will be out by then. I do believe we're in a bull market, but in a bull market we see crazy shakeouts, so that is why I am kind of cautious. We saw those shakeouts over here as well. Premium went too high, and they just do a $2,000 candle real quick, and percentage wise that's really a lot, because it went from 8k to 6k in a day. So yeah, I'm really bullish. We are building some gaps, but yeah, we will see. I'm very bullish. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do, make sure you use one of these sign up links, and yeah, they're also in the video description. If you want some tips, questions, want me to charge something, make sure you let me know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe. See you guys again tomorrow.